Hello and welcome to English News Bulletin of Hallabol. Before moving to the details, at first let us have a look at the day's headlines. Rahul Gandhi criticized the government for using lathis and tear gas on the farmers, demanded the people of the country to extend their support to the farmers of India. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb participated in state-level observance of World AIDS Day program organized by Tripura State AIDS Control Society. Police arrested suspected accused in vehicle burning incident. The detail will be produced before the court on Wednesday. Along with 3 charter point demands, SFI Tripura State Committee organized protest rally on Tuesday. Now the news in details. Although schools, colleges, educational institutes are closed due to COVID pandemic, instead of the risk, Tuesday on the occasion of World AIDS Day, the NSS units of 9 schools under Teliamura subdivision organized massive rally, broke all the protocols of COVID-19. According to an announcement made by the State Education Department, the schools has been closed once again due to the catastrophic situation of COVID pandemic. However, as per previous decision, all the schools and colleges in the state of Tripura were to be open from 1st December, that is from today. But after not getting any response from the Health Department, the decision was changed once again. But sadly, today on the occasion of World AIDS Day, a contrasting picture could be seen at Teliamura. NSS unit and Open NSS unit of 9 schools under Teliamura Education Department organized an awareness rally centering the World AIDS Day. Their main purpose was to make people aware on the issue of AIDS. But how aware are those who are managing them? Because at the time of a global pandemic, when reading in schools have stopped, a large number of school students gathered in that place, broke social distancing protocols and organized massive rally without wearing mask. And those who were in charge of management, such as eminent teacher Deepak Kumar Deb, also seen without wearing a mask. This led the common people of Teliamura to raise question that if those who take steps to make others aware but themselves do not abide rules, the questions will definitely peep out of people's head. However, it's time to see what kind of role the State Education Department and the State Administration play in this regard. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Housewife inhumanly raped by 2 youths. Incident at Sibling area of Thaibung Gram Panchayat under Shabrum Police Station. Victim lodged a complaint at the Shabrum Police Station on Tuesday. Incidents of crime against women are never-ending stories in Tripura. In past 2.5 years of BJP rule in Tripura, several incidents of violence against women, rape, gang rape, etc. have been reported. Similar incident of inhuman act has been reported from Sibling area of Thaibung Gram Panchayat under Shabrum Police Station. A housewife was brutally raped entire night by 2 youths. In details of the incident, it could be known that while returning home from an invitation on 28th of November at around 10:30 p.m. of night, the victim housewife urged her brother-in-law and another relative to drop her home as it got very late. Both of the youths, while dropping the victim housewife home, pressed her mouth tightly and brought her to one of her uncle-in-law's home, which was empty, as they too went for attending invitation. The victim housewife alleged that the 2 youths brutally raped her throughout the night. Although she cried for help, but because of high sound of music over the box machine, no one could hear her cries.
এতদিনে আমারও সেদিনই হুমকি দিছিল যে আমি যদি কেউ কই তাহলে আমার সামনে নলে কেউ মাত লাগবে এগুলো বলে আমি কেউ করছি না। কালকে দেখি দিয়ে মানুষই 1-2 মানুষের জানে, তাহলে জানার জন্য আমি ভয় পাই না। আমি শাশুড়ি মারে কইছি, খুবই পরে এরপরে শাশুড়ি মা লয়ে আজকে সকালে আসে।
তো আজকে এখন সবন থানাতে মামলা করছেন?
হ্যাঁ।
The youths, namely Prashanjit Debnath and Madhusudhan Debnath, physically assaulted the housewife on last Saturday. But as the accused threatened to kill her husband if she discloses the matter, the victim did not register a complaint earlier. But later, gaining courage on Tuesday, the victim lodged a written complaint at the Shabrum police station. A case has been registered under section 341, 376D by 506 of IPC with case number 40/20. SI Prabal Deb is investigating the matter. The housewife has been sent to hospital for medical exam. The victim demanded the administration to take strict steps in the case and provide her justice. Now it's time to see what steps the administration takes in this regard. Will they be able to provide justice to the victim housewife, or the matter will be suppressed? Bureau Report, Halabol. Meteorological Department of Agartala announced winter to grasp the state after first week of December. Indian Meteorological Department Tripura State on Tuesday announced that winter is going to grasp the state at the end of first week of December. Agartala Weather Department Director Dilip Shah, while addressing the media, said,
এখন ম্যাক্সিমাম এবং মিনিমাম টেম্পারেচারটা আমরা সর্বোচ্চ এবং সর্বনিম্ন তাপমাত্রা একটু স্বাভাবিক থেকে একটু বেশি চলছে, তবে সর্বনিম্ন তাপমাত্রা এখন 16 ডিগ্রির কাছাকাছি আর সর্বোচ্চ 30 ডিগ্রির কাছাকাছি চলছে। তবে আমরা আশা করছি ফার্স্ট উইকের পর থেকে সর্বনিম্ন তাপমাত্রা আর কমতে থাকবে। তবে পিক যেটা উইন্টার, এটা আমরা ফিল করি এন্ড অফ ডিসেম্বর এবং জানুয়ারি। These are the peak period for the winter.
He said presently the maximum and minimum temperatures in the state is within 30 degrees centigrade and 16 degrees centigrade respectively. He added that from the end of first week of December, the temperature will fall down gradually, although the peak period of winter is end of December and start of January, when the temperature will probably go below 10 degrees centigrade. Bureau Report, Halabol. Flour bought from ration shop turned into plastic on adding water. Incident at Barbhaya Biren Colony area under Udaipur's Bagba constituency. Flour bought from government fair price shop is turning into plastic whenever mixed with water to make rotis. This incident erupted massive anger and resentment among the people. The eye-catching incident took place at Biren Colony area of Barbhaya under Udaipur Bagma constituency on Tuesday. The incident caused a stir in the entire area. According to the details of the incident, the local people who bought flour from the ration shop in Barbhaya Biren Colony area are turning into plastic on mixed with water. Seeing this incident, extreme resented atmosphere built up in the entire area. Later, when the flour mixer was burnt by bringing a lamp, it turned into rubber. Everyone got shocked at the supply of such flour from government ration shop.
আটা আনছি এনে সেরে পরে বাড়িতে সকালে বানাইতাম আসতাম, সকালে বানাইতাম লিয়া পরে গুল্লা করতাম লিয়া এরপরে দেয়া বসে এটা দিয়ে হয় না। তারপরে এমনি টাইনে দেখছি এটা কিতে এমনি টাইনে আমি দেখলাম, দেখে সেরে এরপরে জিজ্ঞেস হেরে এটা এমন কিরে এরপরে কোথাও আছে কই দিবি তো হে দেখছে, দেখে সেটা এরপর আমি দিয়েছি, দেখে সেটা এরপর আমি কই দেবো এটা কিতে হইতেছে, যদি কিতে ইয়ার মতন দেওয়া যায় প্লাস্টিকের মতন কিতে দিতেছে।
One can well imagine what would be the condition of a person if he or she consumes such flour. People of the area demanded the higher authorities to take strict action in this regard. Bureau Report, Halabol. We are indebted to the farmers, says Rahul Gandhi, criticizes the government for using lathis tear gas on the farmers. Rahul Gandhi urged the people of the country to extend their support to the farmers of India. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Tuesday criticized the government's approach towards handling the ongoing farmers' protest against the 3 newly passed agriculture laws. Our providers are protesting on streets and those who lie are giving speeches on TV. Rahul Gandhi tweeted in Hindi, "We are in debt to the farmers. We can only repay by giving them their rights, not by insulting them or using lathis and tear gas against them." Monday too, Rahul Gandhi had released a video message urging common people and Congress workers to extend help and support to the agitating farmers. The farmers' protest at Tikri and Singhu borders of the national capital entered the 6th day on Tuesday. 36 farmers' unions have accepted the centre's invitation for early talks at 3 p.m. on Tuesday in Delhi's Vigyan Bhavan in an attempt to find a resolution to the escalating protests. Bureau Report, Halabol. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb participated in the state-level observance of World AIDS Day program organized at the Tripura State AIDS Control Society on Tuesday. Tripura State AIDS Control Society organized a state-level observance of World AIDS Day here at Pragya Bhavan, Agartala. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, Education Minister Ratul Lal Nath along with several other eminent personalities remained present during the program. Addressing at the program, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb claimed that the state has transformed in a far better way after seeing Chief Minister whoever used to beg for jobs in the year 2018, they have now themselves become entrepreneurs and are giving jobs to others.
স্বভাবের পরিবর্তন হয়েছে যে জায়গাতে মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে দেখে চাকরি চাইতো 2011 এখন বলছে স্যার আমি চাকরি দিচ্ছি আপনি দেখে জানেন আমি নিজেও গ্যাজেটেড অফিসার র্যাঙ্কের রোজগার করি এবং 10 জনকে সেখানে রোজগার দিয়ে রেখেছি আর এই প্যারামিটারগুলি প্রমাণিত করে যে প্রাইমারি সেক্টরে ত্রিপুরা আগে যাচ্ছে
He claimed that all these parameters proves that Tripura is on the way of development. On the other side, thousands of educated unemployed youths have come down on roads demanding employment. Moreover, according to the CMI data, unemployment rate in Tripura has increased 11.3 percentage points and rose to 41.2%. Also, unemployment in Tripura is greater than national unemployment rate of 23.5%. Instead of accepting BJP government's failure in providing jobs and livelihood to the youths of the state, Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb brags on self-reliance and vikas. Bureau Report, Halabol. East Police Station's police arrested suspected accused in vehicle burning incident. The detained will be produced before the court on Wednesday. With respect to the fire-setting incident in Agartala, one person has been arrested by East Agartala Police. However, for the sake of further investigation, the name and details about the arrested person has not been disclosed by the police. Talking on this issue, Inspector Saroj Bhattacharjee said, NL02Q6763 একটা লরি এটা চিত্তরঞ্জন যে গলিটার সামনে পার্ক করা ছিল মাল বোঝাই ছিল তো ওই গাড়িতে একজন আননোন মিসক্রিয়েন্টসকে বা তারা আগুন ধরিয়ে দেয় তো ফায়ার সার্ভিস থেকে এসে নেভানো হয় তাতে গাড়ির অনেকটা ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হয় তো আজ আমরা কমপ্লেন পাই কমপ্লেন পেয়ে কেস রেজিস্ট্রেশন হয় এই থানাতে এবং সঙ্গে সঙ্গে তদন্ত শুরু হয় তদন্ত প্রক্রিয়া শুরু হওয়ার কিছুক্ষণ পরে আমরা ক্লু পাই এবং একজন সাসপেক্টেড যে স্ট্রংলি সাসপেক্টেড হয়ে গেছে ওনাকে অ্যারেস্ট করা হয় The vehicle bearing number NL02Q6763 was parked at the Chittaranjan area loaded with commodities, but some unknown miscreants set fire on it. Although fire brigade team controlled the situation, but it was almost burnt by then, causing massive loss to the owner. Suspected person behind the incident has been detained and will be produced before the court tomorrow. A case has been registered under section 384-506-435 of IPC. Bureau Report, Halabol. Along with 3 charter point demands, SFI Tripura State Committee organized protest rally on Tuesday. Along with 3 major demands, SFI Tripura State Unit organized protest rally in the heart of capital city, Agartala. They demanded the state government to immediately complete the admission procedures of the higher secondary passed out students, to withdraw the raised fees of medical studies and to regularize the payment of stipend to the students. On the day's protest rally, SFI State Committee Secretary Shondipan Deb said,
ছাত্র ফেডারেশন এবং উপজাতি ছাত্র ইউনিয়নের যৌথ উদ্যোগে মূলত সুষ্ঠুভাবে কলেজে ভর্তি প্রক্রিয়া দ্রুত সম্পন্ন করা, দ্বিতীয়ত ত্রিপুরা মেডিকেল কলেজে বিজেপি আইপিএফটি জোট সরকার প্রতিষ্ঠিত হওয়ার পর এমবিবিএস পড়াশোনার জন্য 32 লক্ষ টাকা ফি বাড়ানো হয়েছে, বেদার ফি বাড়ছে, স্টাইপেন্ড নিয়মিত ছাত্রছাত্রীরা পাচ্ছে না, এগুলি দ্রুত প্রদান করা, এই তিনটা দাবিতে আগরতলা শহরের রাজপথে আমাদের ছাত্র মিছিল। তার সঙ্গে দিল্লি জুড়ে এবং দিল্লির সীমান্ত এলাকায় আমাদের দেশের কৃষকরা যে দুর্বার কৃষকদের আন্দোলন গড়ে তুলেছেন, কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার পার্লামেন্টে যেভাবে জোর করে কৃষি আইন পাশ করিয়ে নিয়েছে, তার বিরুদ্ধে কৃষকদের যে দুর্বার আন্দোলন, তার প্রতি সংহতি জানিয়ে, সমর্থন জানিয়ে আমাদের এই মিছিল।
Shandipan Dev also slammed the BJP government in the centre for the barbaric assault on the farmers during the Delhi Chalo protest march. Bureau Report, Hallabol. With multiple demands for the sake of school and the welfare of the students of Girish Chandra Karbari Higher Secondary School blocked the Gandachara Roshabari Road on Tuesday. Along with multiple demands, students of Toichakma Girish Chandra Karbari Higher Secondary School staged protest while blocking the road on Tuesday. The students of the school blocked the Gandachara Roshabari Road at Toichakma Ratannagar Chomani. Notably, the students demanded appointment of a principal at the Girish Chandra Karbari 12th Standard School, appointment of subject teachers to teach economics, science, English, maths and physical education, boundary wall around the school and drinking water facility. They also demanded furnitures for the school. From 6 am onwards on Tuesday, the students organized the road blockade, but after 11 am, the administrative officials rushed to the spot. Among the officials, DCM of Gandachara Subdivision, BDO of Roshabari Block and other officials of Education Department remained present. The officials listened to the demands of the students and assured to fulfill them. Despite of this, the officials could not satisfy the agitating students.
স্কুলে একজন হেডমাস্টার দরকার আর একজন ইনচার্জ আছে বলে বদলি হবে। আমাদের স্কুলে একজন ইংরেজি টিচার না ছাড়া আমাদের অনেক ইংরেজি জানা, প্রত্যেক ক্লাসে ইংরেজি টিচার না ছাড়া আর স্কুলের পানি ব্যবস্থা শুধু একটা আছে, এটা হচ্ছে শুধু আয়রন আছে। আর স্কুলের কাছে বাউন্ডারি না, ওয়ালও না, কিছু না। কয়েকজন টিচারও আছে, টিচারগুলো তো বদলি হবে বলে এই জন্য আমরা পদক্ষেপ করছি।
After 12 pm in the afternoon, the students lifted the blockade when the officials were compelled to promise to meet the demand in writing. As a result of the road blockade, BSF vehicles, wedding vehicles and many other vehicles got stuck on both sides of the road and the suffering of the passengers reached its peak. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Well, here we conclude the English bulletin at this moment. For more news and updates, keep watching Hallabol.